Wake up your English. Do you want to speak English naturally, from morning till night? Then you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn simple, real-life English sentences you can use every single day. From waking up, having breakfast, going to work, relaxing, to sleeping at night. Each sentence is easy to remember, fun to practice, and perfect for improving your English fluency. No boring grammar, just real English for real life. So grab your headphones, repeat after me, and make English a part of your daily routine. Let's start speaking confidently right now. Waking up sentences, morning start. These sentences describe what people usually do right after waking up. I wake up early every morning. The alarm rings at 6 o'clock. I stretch my arms and yawn. I sit up slowly and open my eyes. The sunlight comes through the window. I check my phone for the time. I get out of bed and fold my blanket. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. The cold water wakes me up completely. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Breakfast time, sentences, eating, and family talk. These sentences are about preparing and enjoying breakfast in the morning. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. My mother is already cooking. I drink a glass of warm water first. I make a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. I like to eat oatmeal with milk. I sit at the table with my family. We talk about our plans for the day. I enjoy my breakfast slowly. After eating, I wash my dishes. Going to work sentences, getting ready, and traveling. These sentences show the routine of getting ready and leaving for work or school. I get dressed for work. I wear my favorite shirt today. I packed my bag with my laptop. I check if I have my keys and wallet. I say goodbye to my family. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. The street is busy with people. I wait for the bus at the stop. The bus arrives in 5 minutes. I listen to music on my way to work. Eating lunch sentences, midday break. These sentences talk about having lunch and relaxing during the day. I take a lunch break at 1 o'clock. I go to the cafeteria with my coworkers. I order rice and chicken. We talk and laugh while eating. I drink a glass of water after lunch. Sometimes I eat a piece of fruit. I check my messages after eating. I feel fresh and ready to work again. I return to my desk after the break. The afternoon passes quickly. Relaxing sentences after work or school. These sentences describe relaxing after a busy day. I reach home around 6 in the evening. I take off my shoes and relax. I drink a cup of tea. I watch some TV for a while. I talk to my family about the day. I scroll through social media. I take a short walk outside. I feel relaxed and calm. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I have dinner before going to bed. Evening time, sentences, family, and quiet moments. These sentences are about evening activities and family time. I help my mother set the dinner table. We eat dinner together as a family. I enjoy talking while eating. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I sometimes make a cup of green tea. I check my emails before relaxing. I sit on the sofa and rest for a while. My younger brother watches cartoons. The weather feels cool and peaceful. I enjoy listening to soft music. Preparing for bed sentences, night routine. These sentences describe what people do before going to sleep. I go to my room to get ready for bed. I pick out clothes for the next day. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I wash my face with cold water. I turn off the lights in the living room. I check if the doors are locked. I plug in my phone to charge. I read a few pages of a book. Reading makes me feel sleepy. I turn off my bedside lamp. Sleeping and dreaming sentences, rest and imagination. These sentences focus on sleep and dreams. I lie down on my soft bed. I think about my day for a few minutes. I thank God for everything. My eyes slowly close. The room becomes quiet and dark. I fall asleep peacefully. Sometimes I dream about flying. I often see my friends in my dreams. Sometimes I dream about traveling. My alarm wakes me up from my dream. Next morning, preparation sentences. New day begins. These sentences show how a person prepares for the next morning. I wake up and feel rested. I open the window for fresh air. Birds are singing outside. I make my bed neatly. I prepare breakfast for everyone. I check the weather before going out. I plan my tasks for the day. I write a short to-do list. I feel ready to start a new day. Every morning brings a new chance. Weekend routine sentences, rest and fun activities. These sentences describe weekend habits and free time fun. I wake up a little late on weekends. I don't rush to get ready. I enjoy a slow breakfast. I call my friends to meet up. Sometimes I go shopping. I visit my relatives or friends. I take a nap in the afternoon. I watch a movie with my family. I prepare my things for Monday. I sleep with a happy heart. Workplace sentences, office and job activities. These sentences describe what people usually do during their workday. I arrive at the office on time. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I turn on my computer and check emails. I write down today's important tasks. I attend the morning meeting with my team. I share my ideas and listen to others. I answer phone calls from clients. I prepare reports and send them to my boss. I focus on finishing my work before lunch. I take short breaks to stay fresh. Communication sentences, talking, and interacting. These sentences are about speaking, listening, and connecting with others. I say hello to everyone I meet. I ask questions when I don't understand something. I listen carefully when others speak. I send text messages to my friends. I make short calls to stay in touch. I reply to emails politely and clearly. I smile while talking to people. I thank others for their help. I talk to my coworkers during tea breaks. I enjoy having friendly conversations. Travel sentences, moving from one place to another. These sentences describe daily travel routines and transportation. I travel to work by bus every day. Sometimes I take a taxi when I'm late. I enjoy watching people on the street. I look out the window during the ride. I listen to podcasts while traveling. I walk to nearby places when the weather is nice. I wear sunglasses when the sun is bright. I wait patiently at the traffic signal. I reach my destination safely. Traveling gives me time to think. Daily habit sentences, small, useful actions. These sentences focus on small but important daily habits. I drink plenty of water every day. I eat fruits to stay healthy. I keep my room clean and tidy. I write in my diary at night. I check my schedule every morning. I try to stay positive throughout the day. I read something new every day. I practice gratitude for what I have. I take short breaks to relax my mind. I avoid wasting time on useless things. Personal care sentences, hygiene, and self-care. These sentences describe how people take care of themselves daily. I take a shower every morning. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I brush my teeth twice a day. I use deodorant to stay fresh. I trim my nails regularly. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I apply lotion after bathing. I drink water to keep my skin healthy. I rest my eyes after long screen time. I go to bed early to stay active the next day. Great job! You've just learned some of the most useful daily English sentences. Remember, small practice every day builds big fluency. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more daily English lessons, your support helps this channel grow and brings you new videos every week. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep shining with confidence. See you in the next lesson, and remember, English is easier when you live it every day.